Okay, welcome back to Sub's Choice. Today I have my favorite subscriber here, Jonas.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. What was your Sub's choice?
It's a doll.
Is it a
It's
doll?
a doll. It's a drag queen doll.
She's
She's alive. It's a drag queen. Her name is Reine.
Reine.
That's true.
Should we take a portrait?
Yes.
So how to start? We have rigged up a bit here, yeah?
Yes.
How long does the makeup take?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. We have this strip light, big one. So should we put it on, Jonas?
Yes.
And let's put it on. As usual, you start with one and then you're building it up, yeah.
Yes.
But I think we should not start with this one actually. We should start with the background. I always start with the background. So let's turn on these two guys. We want to have, or you want to have, a white background, yes?
Yes.
So now we have the background, the white background. And let's turn on this, let's take a test shot. Whoa, I think we can have a bit more power actually. 6. It's just a strip light and it makes a very nice catch light in the eye, yeah? But we also have a lot of shadow under the cheek. So let's put on this.
The shadow we don't like.
The shadows, we don't want any shadows. What do we get now? Wow. I think it's a bit powerful maybe. Turn it down a bit. Good, good, good. That's good, yeah?
Yes.
We need to, maybe you can lower it and I will tell when it will be shown. I think, yeah, probably should have it as low as possible. Still nothing. Maybe you should hold this black flag so it doesn't hit the.
Okay.
We just do something like this, I
Yes.
think. Tie her up, yeah. And take one without. See if it makes any difference. Yeah, a bit.
This is perfect.
The left side is a bit blown out. Yeah, now it's a bit darker on the back of the hair, yeah. But maybe it's a pain in the to stand and hold this. Maybe we should put it up on the C-stand. You know, because all these flashes, they bounce the light, so that's why it's good to block as much as possible for this blonde hair. So should we take a few shots? Hold it like
Hold
the other
it.
one,
Hold
as
it.
close as possible. Because now the hair on the right side I think will be even, yes, we want it to be separate from the background. We would like this one to be lower. Test. Maybe you can hold it a bit more, yeah, a bit straighter, Jonas, yeah. Looking nice. Beautiful.
Yes, it's better.
Up a bit, Jonas.
Okay, sorry.
Jävla liv. Bygger som ett litet hus. Building a little house around the head, a black house. Because we really want the separation from the background. Yes, very nice.
Oh god.
Very nice. I can hold this. And you can shoot a bit.
Tack på det. Ja.
One thing that's very important, that this modeling light that you see is on, this yellow light, it's very, very important that it's very strong. Because then the pupil will be very, very small. Because you want to see the...
Okay.
There we go.
I got a waist. I think we have some, of course.
I think we should do a black one then. Let's put on a beauty dish.
So,
And-
what is this?
This is a beauty dish.
Beauty.
A beauty dish. Makes everyone look beautiful.
Oh, I have to try it.
The beauty dish is on. And we need to have it as close as possible. That's the whole idea with this one.
Okay.
Let's see if we need to have it. Ooh. Jonas, I think we should move the background closer.
The drag.
That's a nice one. I think we should take a flash and put it on the floor. Maybe this one, see what happens.
Yes.
Nice wrinkles. One of the background. Let's take a few. Do something with your arms, I think.
Me?
I wish it could be a bit more. It's a bit... should we
sorry.
take some clamps to make
Yes.
it a bit more wrinkly? And the photographer needs to rest. Backup photographer.
Back up. I'm here.
And this is
I'm
the
the
setup.
sicker part.
Just the cow skin. Then cow skin, beauty dish. And we have this one to just highlight the background bit. Let's put on tilt shift. Yeah, now this will, because I'm tilting it, now it's only your eyes that is in, and everything becomes very smooth. Okay, yes, this was the
Blurry part.
the tilt shift lens. You can play with portrait. It's always fun, I think, because now we have, you see, only the eyes,
Yes.
and here it's totally blurry. It's starting to get blurry. It's crazy. It can be a fun effect.
Absolutely.
So is it a wrap?
Absolutely.
Okay, Jonas, did you learn something?
Yes.
You think so? Yeah? That's good.
I think it's very good.
Yes, it looks nice. So, okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.